बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। मेरी उन तमाम दोस्तों से गुजारिश है कि जिन्होंने अभी तक हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है वो चैनल को ज़रूर सब्सक्राइब करें ताकि आने वाली तमाम वीडियोस आप तक पहुंच सके। थैंक यू।
बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। पैराग्राफ नंबर 10। Islamabad: Prime Minister Imran Khan on Thursday will decide which businesses and sectors will be reopened from this weekend after the provinces opposed running of buses, trains and domestic flights, but largely agreed to reopen commercial centers if the center gives a final approval for easing lockdown curbs. The Premier will chair a meeting of the National Coordination Committee on Thursday, in which a final decision will be taken about reopening of more businesses and sectors after the expiry of the extended lockdown on May 9. New paragraph. The views were exchanged at the National Command and Operation Center meeting held on Wednesday. Federal Minister for Planning, Development and Special Initiatives Asad Umar, who chaired the NCOC meeting, said different ways and means of easing lockdown were discussed at the meeting. He said a day earlier the federal cabinet had approved a plan to further ease lockdown curbs. However, he added, a final decision would be taken at the NCC meeting. New paragraph. A source after attending the NCOC meeting said the SOPs prepared by the federal government and sent to the provinces for consideration were discussed. Almost all the provinces opposed the proposal of the federal government to resume local flights, trains and public transport. New paragraph. Business hours while the centers SOPs also permit shops to remain open from morning till 4 p.m. and then from 8 p.m. till 12 midnight, the Sindh government suggested to the center that shops be allowed to open till 5 p.m. and not till midnight. When contacted, Sindh Minister Saeed Ghani told Dawn that all provinces had opposed resumption of inter-provincial and inter-city transport, trains and domestic flights until COVID-19 was completely eliminated. Provinces feared that opening of transport will cause transfer of coronavirus from one area to another, he explained. New paragraph. Mr. Ghani confirmed that Sindh had opposed the SOP that allowed shops to stay open from morning till 4 p.m. and then from 8 p.m. till 12 midnight. Full stop. We asked in the meeting that we will allow shops to open till 5 p.m. He said full stop. However, the PPP leader made it clear that the Sindh government wanted that whatever decision was to be taken by the NCC regarding lockdown should be unanimous and implemented uniformly in all the provinces. Full stop. We want a unanimous decision regarding opening of more businesses across the country. Full stop. We do not want implementation of different SOPs in each provinces, he said. Full stop. New paragraph. The Punjab government had no objection to the SOPs of the centre, but it opposed flying of transport buses at this stage. Full stop. KP makes its own SOPs. Khyber Pakhtunkhwa Information Minister Shaukat Yousafzai told Dawn that the provincial government had made its own SOPs in consultation with all stakeholders so as how to further ease lockdown restrictions. The KP government had already done all the spade work to reopen more businesses once Prime Minister Imran Khan would give a green signal in this regard, he said. Full stop. New paragraph. He elaborated the KP government wanted that shops of different items were opened on different days. Full stop. For example, the first 3 days of a week, shops of garment, clothes and shoes will be opened till 4 p.m. and shops of others goods like jewelry, furniture and others will stay open in the next 4 days of week. Full stop. He said the traders community of the KP had agreed to follow the SOPs and assured the provincial government of their implementation. Relief work NAJK, GB meanwhile, and the Prime Minister praised welfare organizations and philanthropists for providing relief to the needy who were badly hit by the lockdown in Azad Jammu and Kashmir and Gilgit Baltistan. Full stop. New paragraph. Mr. Khan said the Pakistanis had always helped their countrymen with full devotion and enthusiasm. Full stop. The relief activities in AJK and GB in these difficult times was very encouraging, he added. Full stop. He expressed these views while talking to Minister for Kashmir Affairs and Gilgit Baltistan Ali Amin Gandapur, who called on him here at the PM office, full stop. The minister was accompanied by Kashmir Orphan Relief Trust Chairman Chaudhry Muhammad Akhtar Qoma, Ropani Foundation consultant and Pakistan Tehreek-e-Insaf leader from Boston, Atif Khan, full stop. New paragraph. The KORT chairman told the PM that the trust had provided ration to 20,000 families and would continue to distribute food among other families, full stop. The Ropani Foundation said it was providing relief to 20,000 families in GB, and it was further increasing its circle of activities, full stop. The PTI leader from Boston informed the Prime Minister about donations for the PM's Corona Relief Fund and other activities being carried out by the Pakistani community in the US, full stop. Mr. Gandapur earlier briefed the Premier about various relief activities being carried out in AJK and GB, full stop.